nice. Look at that. Look at that page. Doesn't this look like a Dalek?
Obviously, it's like the head, you know?
Yeah.
Today we are going to be doing another part of the Dalek.
Yeah. Today we are going to nearly finish off the head bit. Now again, we've got a nice little faceplate. We got two types of screws. Now these I recognize. These are for the lights. And we've got normal screws. So we can all open them up at once because you won't mess that up. Alright, let's load these and these. Excellent. And get rid of the box. Get one of these beautiful gold looking, copper looking plates. Alright. Excited, Paige? We're nearly finishing the dome. Okay, now. Oh, look at that. This is what it actually will look like, what it will be. Apparently we're going to add the light first, which is good because it's been sitting on our desk for so long and I kind of want to finish it. So should be easy enough. Now there's two holes here that should align with these. I hope. I'm not quite sure because they are at different lengths. No, they're not. They're probably the screw holes. Okay. That means I have to align it like this. Okay, let's turn this around and let's get this puppy screwed in. Right though, where? Yeah. Ah, okay, right. Gotcha. So this one is done from the top. So make sure you got the right amount of tools. So I use a tweezer and carefully pick up the screw, and we need our Allen key, and let's carefully insert the first screw, and hopefully I've made no mistake and have aligned up the eye properly. We'll find out in a sec. This is a bit fiddly, trying to look through the camera while trying to screw these in, but never mind. Get this to work. Okay, I feel something gripping, which is good. And that is one done. Let's do the other one. Now you can actually magnetize your Allen keys, but I try to do this all by hand. I'm a bit close to the camera, but trust me. Ah, there we go. Nice. And make sure you don't use a lot of force. Take your time with this. It's not a race. Make sure when you screw it, the force is constant. And if you feel it seizing up before it's all the way in, you know you're screwing it in an angle. Just take it out, do it again. Be very, very careful. Okay. This is one of the things you don't want to rush. There we go. Okay, that's the eye. Nice. Look at that. Look at that page. Doesn't this look like a Dalek?
Obviously, it's like the head, you know?
Yeah, the eyes. I always thought these were the eyes, but this is actually the eye. Kind of don't know what this is, but now well. Next part, the face plate. And where is this going? Ah, yes. This will be covering the other eye. 3 connections, shouldn't be too difficult. Now, they're a bit fiddly because these holes are straight, but these are at an angle, so gotta kind of wedge it in. Hold the plate. You can tape it down if you really want, but I'll just hold it carefully. This is a freaking nice dog. Alright, now we're just gonna screw these in. You don't even have to look at the diagram. It's not that difficult. Just find the nearest screw holes. And again, do it diagonally. Start with the top. And make sure this is fastened. Because the top is actually wedged in. So once this screw is in, it's actually already in place. So we can let go. And should be this one here. Again, not a lot of room. Now you can really feel the build quality because it's getting heavier with more of these plates attached. Alright, last screw. And we should have a nearly finished dome, at least from the point of view of plating. And look at it, wow. So let's have a look at the last page and see what's next, and next week we'll finish the back. All right.